3 is a doozy. This is a hard track. This course was so hard I started tracking my crashes per battery, and I was crashing an average of 20 times per battery. So this is a tough course. Oh my gosh. So frustrating. So far, can't fly with any of these goggles on this course to begin with. This is a really tough track. Just not a lot of space. I'm not liking the Fatsharks. I feel like I can't fly. But I feel like this season I've kind of like hit a wall and I've reached a ceiling for speed. Is that the latency of the goggles? Maybe. So I thought I would try some Fatsharks Goggles X, and then I'll jump back to the DJI ones, see if I can tell the difference. The Fatsharks, they're not the goggle for me. In fact, I'm kind of fired up right now because I'm so frustrated by the experience using them. I'm like, I don't even want to fly anymore. I'm just like mad. So I'm gonna go back on the DJI goggles now. Good old module. It turns out I can't really tell the difference between the DJI and the walk snail AV input. The walk snail is not as good of video quality, and the DVR kind of sucks. So I prefer the DJI. And then the Fatsharks, they're just crappy to fly. I think they have more latency, honestly. But yeah, I think I like my DJIs. Hey, how's 3 laps? Oh my gosh. How many batteries later is that? I'm on battery 30. 30 batteries before I got 3 laps in a row. Oh my word. Look at you, Togo. Whoa! What was that, Togo? You're doing jumps? Why don't you come eat me? Nom 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 nom. I ate your food. It was delicious. It was delicious food. Wow, this Pico Razor camera looks so good compared to the nonsense on the Nanoscout. The Runcam 3. That thing looks like a piece of crap compared to this. Right, Togo? Man, you know you're flying a course well if you can dodge a dog while you're flying it. Oh. Ho-ho! Ho-ho! Suck on that, Togo. Can't get me now. Yeah, too slow. Oh, 3 laps dodging the dog. You know what? I got 3 laps. Feeling weird. sure those are my fastest 3 laps yet. Oh, into slick. Come on. Oh, you got me that time. Okay, and the shadow's over here, just like, I don't care. I don't care. Just let me steer my crate. What's so fun? Don't care.